So, hi all. Today we'll discuss about SIP session initiation protocol and IMS testing and deep log analysis module. This course is 100% placement assistance. This course is designed for freshers, BTech freshers, and telecom experience engineers. Those who are working in telecom or migrate into this voice domain, VoIP domain, or IMS domain, they can take this course. This course is well designed and well structured and more focused on practical based approach. So let's see what we are going to provide in terms of technology along with syllabus. Before going forwards, what is RFTech solution? So RFTech solutions will provide you the best job oriented trainings with the help of professionals working into the top MNCs who know how to fill the gap between theoretical and industrial knowledge. So all trainer with RFTech solutions in working in top MNCs having good exposure of the technology. So he have being the opportunity to train freshers or working professionals so that you guys will take this opportunity and in your career you will be stronger than earlier. Let's move into the syllabus part. So in this content, firstly introduction of SIP session initiation protocol. In SIP overview, we'll discuss about the session initiation protocol. In SIP, we'll discuss first wipe signaling and bearers, wipe bearer and packets, how packets looks like in packets, what is the message encapsulated. So everything we'll discuss into the detail. Then we'll discuss SIP resource identifiers along with SIP request, SIP method or SIP messages. Then we'll discuss SIP responses and responses codes. Then we'll discuss SIP transactions, dialog, etc. Then we'll discuss SIP error recovery and SIP headers, SIP calls and dialogues, and multi-point calls. So everything we'll discuss into the detail. Let's see. Then we'll discuss SDP, Session Description Protocol. What is SDP? SDP offer and answer model will discuss. SDP headers will discuss. SDP media description will discuss. RTP and ABPs will profiles will discuss. SDP parameters will discuss. Media attribute will discuss. SDP packet decoding through Wireshark will discuss into the deep. Then we'll discuss what is RTP, real time transport protocol. RTP headers will discuss. RTP operation will discuss. What is jitter? What is mouse? Mean opinion score. Then we'll discuss RTP packet decoding through Wireshark. So mostly we'll try to show you the live scenarios, live log capturing, and live log analysis. It will be works more beneficial for learning. So after RTP, we'll go further. So once you will learn SIP, SDP, and RTP, then we will discuss the complete call flows into the SIP deep drive, the SIP call flows where SDP and RTP will be there. Then we'll discuss SIP early offer call flow, SIP delay offer call flow, SIP early media call flows, SIP request and methods will discuss into the detail, and some requests like invite, act, buy, cancel, and option will discuss and will decode through the PK blocks with live logging on multiple tools. Then we'll discuss SIP responses, informational 1xx, success 2xx, 3xx, redirect, client error 4xx, server error 5xx, and global failure 6xx. In between 1xx, multiple response codes are available. Also, we'll discuss into the details. So every SIP response having 10 to 15 or 20 other responses as well. So everything we'll discuss into the detail. Then we'll discuss and move on the IMS introduction. So if you become a master of SIP, you will move into the VoIP domain, voice over IP. You will become SBC, session border controller engineer or analyst. Then we'll move in telecom, adopted VoIP as a IMS services. So VoIP is not a new technology; it's working long time, and along with SIP 2.0 version protocol is working. The same VoIP is adopted into the telecom. The name is IMS, and services is VoLTE services and VONR services. So it's adopted from the previous technology. Before that, it goes well some time. After many years research and development, finally adopted IMS into the telecom network. So what is IMS? Role of IMS? IMS vision. Also, we'll discuss circuit switch to soft switch than IMS in the current market. We'll discuss IMS capability. How IMS capable to handle the voice, video, and IMS calls. IMS network characteristics. Also, we'll discuss why need IMS into the telecom. We'll discuss quality of services. We'll discuss charging and integration of different services. We'll discuss requirement of IMS architecture and framework. We'll discuss layering of IMS solutions enabling lifestyle services. Common shared subscriber data will discuss. Common session control will discuss into the detail. Then we'll discuss IMS standard bodies. Open Mobile Alliance, the Parley Group, American National Standard School, International Telecommunication Union, Third Generation Partnership Project 2, Internet Engineering Task Force, 3GPP IMS recommendation, major SIP related RFCs in IMS, how IMS uses SIP also will discuss into the detail with log. Then we'll move into the IMS network architecture into the deep identification of users in HSS, relation between PUI and ProUI, IMS subscriber identity module will discuss into the detail. Protocol used in IMS architecture, call session control function, IMS elements, PCSCF, ICSCF, SCSCF will discuss into the detail. It's a CSCF like SBC, session border controller. So stateless or stateful will discuss into the detail what is the stateless or stateful, what is the meaning, why this is used for stateful or stateless. So everything will discuss into the detail. Serving CSCF routing behavior will discuss. Breakout gateway control function BGCF will discuss. MGCF will discuss. MGW will discuss. MRF will discuss. MRFC will discuss, MRFP will discuss. So everything will discuss into the detail so that you will become master of IMS. and after this learning you will become a IMS support engineer. Then we'll discuss what is IMS call flow, SIP registration, deregistration, re-registration, IMS subscriber to IMS subscriber call flow. Will discuss IMS subscriber to PSTN single VGCF or PSTN to IMS subscriber. So lots of multiple call flows in IMS. So every call flow will discuss with the detailed log analysis. Conference call will discuss, third party registration will discuss. So many things we have to discuss into the IMS. IMS service architecture, IMS service trigger principle, what is the principle used to service triggering. Also we'll discuss what is the filter criteria. Content will discuss example of CSCF using filter criteria. We'll take example of SCSCF to filter out the criteria of the IMS. IMS support system. What is HSS architecture, accounting and management, ENM uses in IMS, IMS operation architecture. So after the complete learning of SIP and IMS, we'll go for IMS and SIP and IMS call flows. So everything you will match over the complete call flow. The call flow validation through Wireshark, UE side, QXDM, ELT and Logel. Network log will capture through Wireshark and show you how looks like. Everything we'll discuss into the detail. Then we'll discuss some Linux basic commands so that you will become easier to how to take a trace, how to handle the files into the domain, and tool practical Wireshark. So we'll open a Wireshark, how looks like a Wireshark. So guys, this is a Wireshark tool where we can analyze the calls and how we can take the filter out the message and the calls like SIP message. So just write a SIP and enter, then all the invite 100 trying 183 ringing track 100 OK. What is the meaning inside this message? We'll discuss each and every topic so that you will become a master of this particular things. So everything we'll discuss into detail. You will become the master of everything. So everything we'll discuss, what is the invite, what is the 100 trying, 183 ringing, track 200 OK, what is the message carried into this site, also we'll discuss. Then for UE log, we can use QXDM, QCAT, ELT, Lozel, and how to raise the bugs through Jira, also we'll discuss. So this course is specially designed for fresher candidate who recently pass out or those are working in telecom with 2 LPA to 10 LPA, where your experience is higher than your package. I am recommending those who are working in telecom, you can do something either SIP wipe and IMS or protocol testing. Any of the course and you will become a telecom software engineer. In this domain, you will get more salary as you are getting earlier. So we'll use Wireshark tool, SIP tool, Qualcomm, Jira, and MediaTek. All tool we try to show you which are useful into the preparation of this domain. So after this course completion, will prepare you according to market requirement. The main thing after the course, this is the main thing which are highly impactful for your career transition into this domain. So in this domain also will help Naukri profile updation, digital resume preparation, video resume preparation, and mock interview. So everything will discuss into the detail. So those who are interested, you can connect with our team. Meanwhile, we'll show some company name. TCS is hiring more number. Globe Teleservices are also hiring. Flight Case is also hiring. Digi HR, Infosys, CrowdStrike, Wipely, Call Hippo, Audio Codex, Sonos, Genvent, Oracle, Hawaii, Jetty, Ingate, Edgewater Network, Sangoma, Dialogic, Empirix. Lots of companies working into this domain, but you guys are working in telecom. You know only the Airtel, Idea, Vodafone, Nokia, Ericsson, or third party companies like Telesia, NR, and many third parties company where you are not getting proper date of salary. So you can go for Vonage, Ring Central, 8 Cross 8, Skype, Mitel, Avaya, Cisco, PrePVX, Tivilio, Nextiva, Phonality, DZ Gum, Product Voice, Studio Video, lots of companies working. So this is our leaders, and you will, those who are interested, you can connect with Mr. Sugandh or Mr. Deepak. This is our contact mail ID. It's our website. You can visit our website, and this is the address. Mostly we'll prefer online training. Also, you can download our application through the Android app, RF Tech Solutions, or in iOS, you will download My Institute app. Our organization code is DTOJH. Thanks for watching this video.